Welcome back to Auto Vibes, your number one spot for the latest luxury rides, powerful machines, and everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the world of premium motorhomes with the 2025 Fleetwood Discovery LXE, a coach that redefines road travel by turning every mile into a luxury experience. Whether you're a seasoned RV enthusiast or someone dreaming of your first big adventure, this model might just be what you've been waiting for. So, what exactly is the 2025 Fleetwood Discovery LXE? Simply put, it's a high-end diesel Class A motorhome designed for those who crave residential comfort and premium features while exploring the open road. Built on a Freightliner XCM chassis and powered by a 380 horsepower Cummins diesel engine, the Discovery LXE blends power, comfort, and innovation into one seamless experience. It's not just a motorhome, it's a luxury residence on wheels. From the outside, the 2025 Discovery LXE commands attention. It's bold and contemporary with sleek full-body paint, chrome accents, and LED-lit trim that gives it a standout presence both day and night. The updated front cap design with integrated LED headlamps provides not just style but visibility and safety. Its large panoramic windshield allows for stunning views and a true sense of openness on the road. Multiple slide-outs extend to reveal a roomy interior, and the integrated power awnings and outdoor entertainment center make campsite living feel like an upscale event. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of refined luxury. The interior boasts polished porcelain tile flooring, solid surface countertops, premium hardwood cabinetry, and residential-style furniture. Whether you choose the L-shaped lounge or traditional sofa setup, you're met with comfort that rivals high-end homes. The living area is complete with a 50-inch flat-screen TV, electric fireplace, and surround sound system. The galley kitchen includes a residential refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection microwave, and dishwasher, perfect for making gourmet meals on the road. In the bathroom, you'll find a spa-like setting with solid surface countertops, a tile backsplash, and a glass-enclosed shower with a seat and rainfall-style head. The master bedroom features a king-size bed, ceiling fan, ample wardrobe space, and an optional stackable washer and dryer. Even the lighting is thoughtfully designed with dimmable LED fixtures and under-cabinet lighting for that extra touch of elegance. When it comes to performance, the Discovery LXE doesn't disappoint. Its Cummins ISL9 diesel engine produces up to 1,150 pound-feet of torque, giving it the muscle to handle mountainous terrains and long-distance hauls with ease. The air suspension and V-Ride rear suspension system ensure a smooth and stable ride, even on rough roads. With a 100-gallon fuel tank, you can roam longer without frequent stops. Add in adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a digital dash with 360-degree camera views, and you've got a coach that's as smart as it is strong. In terms of key features, the 2025 model introduces Fleetwood's new PowerBridge chassis construction that offers more pass-through storage, a better center of gravity, and increased rigidity. Tech lovers will appreciate the integration of the Firefly control system, allowing you to control lights, HVAC, tank levels, and slide-outs via a touchscreen or mobile app. Wi-Fi booster, solar prep, and multiplex wiring make this RV ready for modern off-grid living. The starting price for the 2025 Fleetwood Discovery LXE sits around $410,000, with higher-end trims and options pushing it closer to $450,000. That's a serious investment, but for those who prioritize luxury, comfort, and long-term value, it's money well spent. You're not just buying a motorhome, you're buying freedom, elegance, and a lifestyle that knows no boundaries. What makes the Fleetwood Discovery LXE truly stand out is its blend of residential luxury and rugged dependability. It's built for families, couples, or solo travelers who demand more from their motorhome: more space, more comfort, more technology, and more adventure. Thanks for riding with Auto Vibes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update on the world's most exciting vehicles. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the Discovery LXE cross-country? Or maybe even make it your full-time home? Until next time, keep your wheels turning and your vibes high.